Okay, all right, fair enough. Hey guys, this is Austin.
Good evening. My name is Rod Flambe, and I thank you for joining me for tonight's very special program. Now, you might be wondering why I'm here, for at this point you'd expect Austin or Ken to come out and introduce the film, but that is not the case tonight, because it's been a very busy time around here. Very good, don't get me wrong, but very busy indeed. And so the editors came to me and they asked if I might have a crack at a project they had lying around, and naturally I obliged. So sit back, relax, and enjoy tonight's very special presentation.
Live from Hollywood, California, is the Mystery Tech 24th episode spectacular. Brought to you by Bako Flakes Pie Crust. Now here's your host, Austin Evans. Yay!
Hey guys, this is Austin, and today I play Oregon Trail. Oregon, like the state. Nah, it's just for weebs who watch Naruto. Try me, press enter. Oh, it actually works. Wait, this actually has like a decent screen too. I'm always really suspicious when something seems to be good on Mystery Tech because it never actually is. Well, I guess that's not totally true.
Yeah.
Usually headphones are pretty decent.
Yeah, I think the headphones are decent.
Because you actually care about the headphones.
Exactly.
Unlike the content. Atmospheric pressure style hybrid headphone. Okay. Oh, well that's a nice presentation. So we have all these different ear tips. Ah, okay. Dude, wait, so you can build like the entire headphones? That's crazy. I am not gonna go that in depth. I have no idea. Like, you could spend hours just customizing the headphones, every little component, to get the kind of sound that you personally like. It's the same MMX style from most decent in-ears that are a little bit on the pricier side. This one, MMCX, whatever, you nerd, you audiophile. The MMCX connector is superior audio quality. Back cover shell red plus catheter blue. Do they call it catheter?
Yes.
Nah, man, nah. So I'm gonna put the red rear caps on to give myself a little bit more bass. It's hard to trap it sometimes, but once you get it in once, it's fine. Thanks.
Yeah, brah.
Yeah, brah.
Yeah, brah.
You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
You're listening to NPR. So I was too poor to grow up in a school with computers, so yeah.
We didn't have internet.
We didn't have computers.
Yeah.
That sounds like an episode of This Is. It sounds like how Matt ruined his parents' life, but they feel like they should, kind of wiggly and old. So usually when we're dealing with sort of cheap kind of things like Kenjamin, the screens are terrible, but this actually looks pretty decent. All right, I want to travel the trail. Do I want to be a banker from Boston? A carpenter from Ohio? I want to be banker, that sounds awesome. What is the first name of the wagon leader? You know what? These buttons are kind of bad. It is 1848. Do you want a team of oxen or clothing for summer and winter? Come on, we can all be naked, it's fine. This is really the most riveting Let's Play you may have ever seen in your life. No issues yet, we haven't needed our weapons, which is good because we have no weapons. Let's cross the river. We can definitely do this. Let's do it. It's only 2 feet. No, we're fine. We're fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, no. We lost 7 sets of clothing, 1 wagon axle, 1... Oh, man. We lost 7 ox. A fire in the wagon. Wes has a broken leg. Josh has a broken arm. Matt has a broken leg. Congratulations, you have made it to Oregon. Let's see how many points you received. We did it. Only 1 broken arm and 2 broken legs. This isn't so hard. You don't got dysentery. How much was it? $17? Yo. Pictar, convert your phone into a real camera. Have they not tried the Pixel 3?
Or our red hydrogen.
Let's not go there, man. So apparently we can DSLR our phone by adding some real physical controls. I mean, it works with basically every iPhone from the 6 all the way to the XS Max. We have Samsung S6 and up, Note, Huawei, Xperia. It seems like it should work on most everything. So we have a zoom ring, exposure comp dial, shutter, half and full release. How much was this? $100? I mean, stuff like the zoom makes no difference. I assume, unless they're taking advantage of the secondary camera. Okay. Oh, Professor Pikachu. Ha ha ha. Another strap, whatever. And then what are these things? Download the Pictar app. All right. I like how I literally download the app and the very first thing I see is an upsell to buy the new Pixar Pro. Press the shutter button. Okay. Good. Now half press to lock focus and exposure. Oh yeah, am I supposed to put this on my phone already? Find the smart wheel. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. So you can easily change which mode you want to shoot in, okay. So now we're up and running. I see my battery percentage, so if I want to say zoom, I can zoom in. All right, I mean obviously this is just purely digital zoom since my phone doesn't have a secondary camera. I can change saturation and contrast. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The button is not good. This just, do you hear this? It's so slow. I'm gonna crank up saturation because honestly I think you look better when you're orange.
Yeah, I don't know what you mean by that, but...
Because you just turned orange when I turned saturation up. And this is my Instagram filter, okay? These are all terrible. I guess if you really want physical controls, but to me, it doesn't really add a whole lot. I mean, I don't like this app very much. I would rather use the standard app or something that's third party, but it's okay. Nah.
I got something better there.
Okay. Oh, what? What? This is a thing? So this is Hot Wheels rivaled, or branded, but these are way bigger. You control this using your phone? Or we got a face off? What do you call a game of Rocket League? Drive off?
Drive off. Race off.
It's time to race off. Oh, I got it versus Josh now. He's gonna destroy me. Ready, set.
That was so fast. Okay.
Next item, please. A quadcopter. This just looks like a really shitty drone.
You don't have to be mean about it.
I like how this is the upgraded version, which is exclusive for e-commerce. I don't know if that's a selling point, but at least I get my own space in the sky, which is really all I need in life. I have tried, this company has made like helicopter little guy that I used to play with a lot. It was actually really cool and it was like 20 bucks. So I'm assuming that this is hopefully not too bad. Okay. All right. Well, the first thing I noticed is that the remote is much heavier than the actual quadcopter, which may or may not be a good thing. It's got a camera on it, which is important for a drone. How do you plug this guy in? How do you, just this whole thing slides? Oh, it does. Do I unplug? Oh. That's gotta be it, huh? I assume that is charging, so we'll give that just like 1 minute. The key features of the quadcopter. A 4-axis structure makes the quadcopter more flexible and rapid when flying. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope, as well as a simple and modular design when you eventually destroy it. How do you record on this guy, I wonder? Should I read the instruction manual? Maybe a little bit on how to hit record. Whoa, Okay. Okay, it's flashing red. Does this mean it's recording right now? So this is what it looks like with the video from the quadcopter. I don't know if you can hear it very well. But the cool part about this is that... Okay, I almost had it. Okay. So Matt. No. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this, guys. Nope. Hover. Just, ow. That hurt. I'm feeling pretty good about this right now. Any thoughts?
Yeah.
If you made it to this part of the video, why haven't you rung that notification bell? I mean, come on, it's literally right down there. You just have to click on it, and then you're presented with wonderful notifications all about the most recent episodes of the Austin Evans channel. I mean, who would want a deal like that?